Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the text background color in Photoshop. So let's started. At first, type your text. Now go to the text tool option. Now click. Now select from. Now type your text. Now resize your text. Then keyboard press from enter. Now I can see. Now firstly add the background. Now going to the shape option. Now select from rectangle tool. Now draw a rectangle shape. Now double click from rectangle shape in the layer. Now choose from color. Now click OK, and the layer in up and down. That is. Now you can see. Then change the color in the text background. Now double click from rectangle. Now choose from color. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see change background color of text in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.